Good morning, students. In the last class, we have learned about the plastics and the drawbacks of plastics. In this class, we are going to know what are the steps are taken by our Tamil Nadu government to protect plastic pollution. Actually, our nation takes so many initiative steps to stop the plastic pollution, and one of the important step of our government to create the act created on 1988 to protect the environment. And based on this act, our Tamil Nadu government created the new rules by act number 84, and it was created on 25/6/2018. In that act, Tamil Nadu government created so many new rules to manufacture and use the plastics, and government only taken the first step to ban the plastic. And as per the government order, Tamil Nadu government has banned the usage of one-time use and throwaway plastics from January 1st on 2019. From January 1st 2019 onwards, one-time use plastic and throwaway plastics are burned by our Tamil Nadu government. And rules which ban the protection, storage, supply, transport, sales and distribution of one-time use plastics are extremely effective, because they are successful also, because this one-time use and throwaway plastics are worst, and these are the reason for 95% of plastic pollution. And here the following from the following topics we will know what are the banned items and why they were banned, why we are not using that, why we should not use those plastics, that reason and all we are going to learn. The first banned item is plastic carry bags, because globally we use 2 million plastic bags each minute. You just think about it. For each minute in the whole world we are using 2 million plastic bags. But 97% of plastic bags are not recycled. So what they will do, it occupies some space and they are not recycled and cause the pollution. And animals eat plastic bags by accident as they contain food. And a cow was found with over 70 kilos of plastic in its stomach. By mistake, accidentally it ate 70 kilos of plastic. So think about the effect of one-time use carry bags. And plastic plates. Next banned item is plastic plates. Dirty plastic plates are difficult to recycle because they are oily, sticky, so it's difficult to recycle. And most of the one-time use plastics are made from the polystyrene. Polystyrene is very toxic. Code number 6, we already know the resin codes. The resin code number 6 is highly poisonous. So most of the plastic plates are made with the polystyrene, so it is not good for the health. Then plastics will be used for 20 minutes. Plastic plates are used for only 20 minutes, but they stay in the environment over 1,000 years. Just consider this. Next banned item is water pouches. Water pouches also often littered, increasing the plastic pollution. Water pouches are also the one of the reason for plastic. And the blueprint on the plastic pouches decreases the recycling value. And once a water pouch is used, it is difficult to recycle because it's left over with the water particles, as well as this water particles get dirt and it's difficult to recycle. And another one of the banned item is plastic straws. Plastic straws are too light and too small to recycle. And straws are one of the top 10 items which are found in the plastic pollution in oceans. And 90% of seabirds have ingested plastic such as straws. And the next banned item is plastic sheets. Plastic sheets used on the top of the plates gets dirty and cannot be recycled. That is the one reason for banned this item. Then more chemicals leak from plastic into food when it is hot and spicy. Plastic plates are coated with the plastic sheet, but when we eat the hot, this plastic is mixed with the food and it creates some most of the problem in our body. Then animals such as cows, goats and dogs eat plastic by accident because it smells like the food. Okay, these are the banned items mentioned by our government, so they should be banned.